Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the ABS system in your Toyota Prius. First, let's identify the common warning signs, such as the illuminated ABS light on your dashboard. Understanding these initial indicators is crucial for a quick diagnosis. We will also cover the essential tools you will need and important safety precautions to ensure a smooth and secure repair process. Getting prepared is key to success. To accurately diagnose your Prius ABS problem, begin by connecting an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. This tool will help you retrieve specific trouble codes, such as C1391 or C1256, which point to particular issues within the ABS system. After scanning, visually inspect all four wheel speed sensors for any visible damage, frayed wires, or accumulated debris that might be interfering with their function. This step is vital. Many ABS issues can be resolved by replacing a faulty wheel speed sensor, which is a relatively straightforward repair. If your diagnostic codes indicate low brake pressure or air in the system, bleeding the brake lines is the next crucial step to restore proper function. For more complex problems, such as internal failures, you might need to consider replacing the entire ABS actuator or pump assembly. Always ensure you use genuine or high-quality replacement parts. After completing any repairs, it is essential to clear all diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer using your OBD2 scanner. Next, take your Prius for a thorough test drive to confirm that the ABS warning light remains off and the system functions correctly. To prevent future ABS problems, regularly check your brake fluid levels and periodically clean your wheel speed sensors. Proactive maintenance can save you time and money in the long run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.